Imagine a world where Hollywood directors aren't humans, but algorithms. Where AI doesn't just edit clips, but writes, directs, and produces entire movies. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, it's happening faster than you think. Hey everyone, welcome back to TechStanis, the channel where we explore the future of technology, AI, and cybersecurity. If you're curious about how AI is transforming our world, hit that subscribe button, because today we're diving into the mind-blowing world of AI video generators that might just replace Hollywood one day. So, what exactly are AI video generators? In simple terms, these are AI-powered tools that can turn text prompts, images, or scripts into videos. They use deep learning models trained on thousands of video datasets to create realistic motion, scenes, and even cinematic effects. Runway is one of the most popular AI video generators. With Gen 2, you can type a text prompt like "a futuristic city at sunset" and instantly get a moving video. It also supports image-to-video, meaning you can upload a still picture and watch it come alive with motion. Pika Labs is quickly becoming a favorite among creators. It specializes in making highly stylized, short cinematic clips. It's great for creative projects, trailers, or TikTok-style content. The community around Pika is also super active, which means you get to see tons of experimental AI-generated movie scenes. This one comes from Stability AI, the same people behind Stable Diffusion. It's open source, which makes it powerful for developers and hobbyists. Stable Video Diffusion can turn images into short video loops with smooth transitions. It's not as polished as Runway yet, but it's free and customizable, which is why many creators love it. These tools are already capable of making short films, trailers, and experimental videos that look shockingly real. Now the big question, can AI video generators actually create a full-length movie? Rendering times are still slow and require powerful GPUs. Storytelling is inconsistent. AI struggles with character continuity. Costs can skyrocket if you're generating longer sequences, but creators are already finding workarounds. Many combine AI-generated video clips with tools for AI-written scripts, using ChatGPT or Pseudo-Write, AI voiceovers like 11 Labs, and AI music composition, such as AI VA or SoundRaw. One example is The Frost, a short film that went viral for being almost entirely AI-generated. And YouTubers are already experimenting with scenes that look like they came straight out of a Netflix original. The pace of innovation is wild. Every month, new tools and creative experiments push the boundaries of what's possible with AI in filmmaking. So, where is this heading? In the next 5 to 10 years, AI could generate entire feature-length films with consistent characters and plots. Hollywood studios are already experimenting with AI to speed up tasks like background generation, storyboarding, and visual effects. But there's also a huge ethical debate. Will AI replace actors, directors, and filmmakers? Or will it serve as a creative assistant, empowering humans to tell stories faster and cheaper? Either way, one thing's certain, the future of filmmaking will never be the same. So, can AI video generators really make full movies? Not quite yet, but they're closer than ever. And when it happens, Hollywood will change forever. What do you think? Would you watch a 100% AI-made movie? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechStanis for more insights on the future of AI and tech.